Yeah, where you come from? I give me challenge to find an apartment in 2 weeks with my name on it and credit and whatever. What you know about America? What you know about America and credit and something? You live America, bitch? Do you live America? How you come and talk about America like you live America? Do you live America? I want to ask you 13. Do you live America? Or you let your little unhappy, sexless? You're unhappy, sexless. Unhappy, sexless people them. I give you things. Eh? Them sexless, them unhappy, and low self-esteem. You cannot call me low self-esteem? Are you crazy? You can't even show your full body on social media. The way you are, you can't even show your full body on social media. Come here, say a big fat and sour, like a hog, like a hippopotamus. You can't even show your full body on social media. You can't challenge me. Me a hot girl road. Where you come from? You all talk about DNA test. We take DNA test for pitney. You have 5 pitney. And I possibly at Jamaica you have 5 of them. And it is known in Jamaica that 7 out of 10 pitney at Jamaica a jacket. Then give it to the wrong man. I mean no say how you fly away and guard the Somali Island. You have 5 pitney. I guarantee the 5 of them we have, out maybe 4 of them belong to the wrong man. Because you talk one life story, so you used to walk and trick man for money. So me have one, and me know the dick will go up in this scratch. And the one pitney that I have with the one man, the pitney is 24-year-old up until today. Me and the man is responsible. When me live with the man from I was around 19 years old, it's how we attack. Me back and forth in a relationship with him. Me live with him until I get pregnant at the age of 28. Me was working as in Columbia Presbyterian Hospital. From me find out that me pregnant, me stop work. I never go back to work until CJ was about 3 years old. And him take care of me in the household with a whole barrage of family. You come on social media with your little idiot self, oh man come catch me in a bathroom with man. You's a fool. You see the house me grew up in with my baby father? Him papa live there, him mama live there, him sisters them all live there, cousin live there. Nobody can catch me with no man. Cause me no walk and give my pussy like a dog. Don't mix me up with your batty boy son them. Are your batty boy, are your girl them. Don't mix me up. Don't mix me up by pussy with yours. It's only one pitney push out of this Ross. You see how it's one pitney push out of this Ross. You have 5. That means your pussy will be bigger than mine. That means your fill up and tube stretch out more than mine. You have 5. And me have 1. One dege one. I mean never dash rebelliate. You understand? So you don't come challenge me. If you come pay apartment, if you come get apartment in 2 weeks, me well comfortable in a luxury apartment. This is called a luxury apartment. Luxury apartment. You have me staying here. You have other guests here. I met a gentleman who has been here from October who is working for a company. You cannot talk about apartment. Bitch ass cranny woman. I am in a luxury apartment where we get maid service and breakfast made. You can't challenge me and say me to get apartment in a 2 weeks. You're fucking bright. Yeah? You're bright. You're bright and out of that. I get up, me never know. Me never know say, oh, you want to come, you want to come be my garbage man. You want to come be my pad. Oh, oh, the place where me is, you're not getting enough. You're uncomfortable, kind of used to good things. So you want to go one little local house now, so you can come and take a bugu. And take a bugu out of my nose, what bitch, sit here. Come near it. Dinner time, bitch. None in the right now. Come near it. Me just don't bathe. Me have some piss now one bottle for your drink. So your sore foot can get better. Bitch. Come near it. And that you forget. Makeup time with Marcia Everbless. Makeup time. We don't need no more because I'm not going anywhere. It's perfect. Perfect. Yes. Come near it. What kind of madness is that? What kind of madness is that? You, Copa, you, both here challenge me. You can't challenge good pussy, Marcia. Eh? Woman, go sit your ass down. Eh? 5 pitney you push out of your big thinking hole, and then you come and chat about jacket. Go take DNA for few of them. I guarantee I pay a jacket to the man. You don't know if you put me daddy. Me live with mine. More fryer with your little thinking sewer pipe pussy. More fryer. You're only looking for the sewer truck. If you come scrape out the parasite them out of you. Sit down and wait. You can't talk about nobody. You can't talk about nobody, bitch. Call me a dirty 13, and you may talk to. Call me a blood clot Kingston suck pussy 13. Come here, and you may chat to. And Bugo nose eating 13, and you may talk to. Cause it look like your blood clot so foot now get better. And you may talk to. Yes, you may talking to. You see a man. Hold on, my friend text me. Every day I fantasize about my man. I'm giving you 2 weeks. Well, I'm giving you 2 weeks to show you the motherfucking ass on social media. You giving me 2 weeks to find a place? I'm giving you 2 weeks to show your ass on social media full from head to toe. Put on one shorts and one blouse. May I give you 2 weeks? Yeah, challenge me. I'm giving you 2 motherfucking weeks to show your full body from head to toe. All your ginger toe them with full of bacteria. Them the toe. Because any at all your foot are rotten, that means your toenail is not good either. Your toenail is no good. You understand? So you want to come and give me 2 weeks. Yeah? You can't see me in my luxury apartment. And you in a winter when me I stay for the winter.